Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have something really different. I was contacted by the Stationery Pal company, I would say about 4 weeks ago, and they asked if I would want to do an unboxing. I was like really excited because if you've ever seen the Stationery Pal unboxings, they're amazing. Every one of them is different, so nobody is opening up the same box. I got to choose the things that I love, and then somebody else gets to choose the things that they love. And they have hundreds of products, so nobody's is the same. So they're like a niche onto themselves. Each one is so fantastic. So I went through the whole entire process of doing this with the company, and they sent me out my package. I could not wait for it to get here, and I thought it was going to take weeks, and it didn't. It was like here in a flash. In fact, I got a message from DHL. It was supposed to be delivered on a Tuesday, and I got it the Friday before. So it was really quick. This isn't the package I got. Unfortunately, the first package sort of got destroyed in transit. When I got it, it was a little bit wet. Not a little bit wet, it was soaking wet to the point where the box was falling apart. I was so heartbroken. So I contacted the company immediately, and I was like, I swear, there's a drought here. I don't even know how this thing got wet like this. We haven't had rain in months. They were so nice. They were like, don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. And they asked for me to go to their site and pick out more stuff. And I didn't want everything because honestly, some of the stuff that I had picked out was plastic and it didn't get destroyed. I was more interested in the box. So I just said to them, listen, I'll pull out the stuff that's still good, whose packaging didn't get destroyed, and just send me a box of the stationery, which was destroyed, and let your company pick it out for me. So this is something different. I have no idea what's in this box because they're going to surprise me. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you the first haul. The first thing they start with are these adorable little toys. And here are some of them. It took me a little while to figure out what this was. And it's for picking stickers. Like, you know how like you get like a sticker and you can't get it off the sheet? Well, this gets it off the sheet for you, so very cute. They sent me a bunch of really cute buttons that I know my goddaughter is going to absolutely love. And then there was a teddy bear, but the teddy bear kind of got destroyed. Now this is an acrylic for stamping, but I didn't get it because I'm a stamper, because I'm not a stamper. In fact, I own about 4 stamps. I got this for mulling paint, and it's like perfect. And you wouldn't believe the price. The prices in this place are insane. Fill a Christmas stocking in their dollar shop with the most adorable things. I did a black and white theme. That's why everything is kind of black and white. I am so glad that this was sealed and did not get destroyed. It's a little dirty on the outside, but it's black Post-it notes. Every time I try a color out, I have to use one of my black papers. You know, good paper is good paper. I didn't even know they made this, first of all. Black sticky notes. And now I could test all my pencils out in black without using one of my good sheets of black paper. Then they sent me an eraser, plastic eraser, a Muji, and I've heard of their pens. And I think I even got some. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this is, but it came in, it was like a package with all different things in it. I think this is glue. They sent me a book. Now, this got a little waterlogged. It's okay. The pages are a little frayed, but it's still good. I don't care. I'll use it. And they sent me Stationery Pal stickers, space stickers. Now, if you guys know I'm into science fiction, which is right up my alley. I've got a flower and moon. This is supposed to be a moon stamp that goes with the stamper. Now, this is nice. A circular ruler, and that was pretty cool. I don't know how to use this. Oh, this is a protractor. It takes me a minute. So it's a protractor and a ruler together and a line maker. This before, and I am so glad this did not get destroyed. Academy watercolor paper pad. I've used the Academy stuff. They are cotton, 100% pure cotton. And I really like that. I have the one in the green. I haven't used the red yet. So I'm looking forward to testing these out, which you will see very soon. This was part of the kit that they sent me. This is a pencil holder. Very cute. Then they sent me all these different pens. I love this stuff. I'm currently already using this as my art diary. Someday I'll let you guys nose around in there. So this is the brushables. And then the other side. Oh, the same thing but a different color. And this is my favorite one out of all of them. I already started using this one. And I don't think it has like a really big name. It says black. It's I can't read it. But I love the way this writes. And now we have some that my daughter said she was going to take. She loved this one. I like this one too, the way it writes. It doesn't say what one it is. It's a metallic red. See, unfortunately, the boxes got destroyed that they came in, and it's glitter. Well, this like writes very smooth. A little heart. Now, this is cute. You think it's a pen? Nope. It's a cutter. Isn't that great? And this one's cool. It's got 3. It's got pencil, and then a black, and then a red. And then I got a jelly roll. And then I was able to save 2 of the washi tapes that they sent me. This one because it was in plastic, and it's got like stars on it. And this is a holographic. It's plastic like regular tape. And that's really nice. And then the last thing, which I love, is a stackable. It holds your washi tape. So that's the box that I ordered, minus all the packaging and all the stationery. So here is the box, and I have not opened this yet. I don't know what's in it because when they asked me to pick it out, I said, no, you guys pick it out. I said, just make it like the paper stuff that got destroyed. So I have no idea what's in this box, what they chose for me. And let me see if I can get it open. Oh, this is the other side. Okay, now we're going to dive into this. Oh, it smells good. Wow. I don't know how to describe it. It's like very clean floral. It's very pretty. Wow. Okay, so it has a Stationery Pal. Now, this is another thing that it comes with heart bubble wrap. I've seen it in other people's unboxing, but it's so unique. It's so cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. I can see the toys. Very cute. Very nice. Oh, this just smells so good. Oh my gosh. My goddaughter's gonna love this. I always give her all the little toys and stuff. This is the teddy bear that you see in everybody's unboxings. Very cute. And I guess this goes on top. Or somebody else, I think I saw it, that you put it on top of a pen. And it's a pen topper. Okay, so let me put this out of the way and we'll take out the goodies as I grab them. This is a replacement, I guess, for the washi tape. I did choose this. Look how pretty. Oh, it has... Is this a box for it? Oh, it comes on a roller. Okay, so you just pull it out. I love the colors. And what is this? Salty Sail. Have a good day. What's this? Maybe an eraser? Maybe it's decal stickers. I don't know, but it's pretty and it smells great. I'm not sure what it is. It's a scrapbooking thing. All different paper for scrapbooking and journal writing, of course. Oh, very pretty. And I guess these are doubles. Very nice. More washi tape, stars. Very nice. Okay, this is the masking tape, or it's washi tape. I was able to save half of the rolls in the last one, and this is the perfect size for those who edge their papers when doing watercolor and pastel. Oh, what else? Zaka. I think this is scrapbooking paper too. Oh, really nice. Really, really nice. What else? Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, excellent. They replaced this, but mine wasn't destroyed. Very good. I really need this. A card saying thank you. I'm actually saying thank you to you. I'm overwhelmed. Okay, what is this? Antique paper, very nice. Let's take a look at it. Now I know why everybody does ASMR to this. Everything is so crunchy. Oh, this is not, it's like thin, like rice paper. Very nice. With an antique theme. Perfect for journaling. Okay, another watercolor. Never have too much of this. Never. Oh my gosh, this more washi tape. Something big on the bottom here. What is this? Rosy Posy. Poetic Lifestyle. You'll pass through our products. I don't know what this is, whether it's paper or a journal. I hope it's scrapbooking paper because this matches perfectly with the other one that they gave. Can do a lot of themed pages. Wow. Oh, wait. What is it? Like cards. Or is it stickers? This is super nice. Number stickers. Maybe these are stickers? I'm not. They're all stickers. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are those tabs, the watercolor tabs. I saw this in there. It's like the haul that never ends. Okay, there's one other thing in here that I have to call special attention to. So that ends my double haul. I want to thank Stationery Pal for being such a wonderful company to work alongside with, especially Sherry from customer service, who was fantastic. So, the usual. The link will be in the description and also a code for 12% off. And on this site, you can get a lot for that. So, pack a lunch before you go to see their website because you're going to be there for a long time. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.